Alright everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're diving into a super handy trick, how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your Mac. Let's get started. First things first, grab your iPhone. We need to enable the continuity camera setting. Head over to your Settings app. Scroll down until you see General, and tap on it. Then tap on AirPlay and Handoff. Now, make sure Continuity Camera is toggled on. This allows your Mac to recognize your iPhone as a webcam. Remember, both devices need to be near each other for this to work. Okay, back on your Mac. Open an application that uses your webcam. For this example, I'm using FaceTime. See how the webcam quality isn't great? That's the built-in Mac webcam. Let's switch to the iPhone. Go up to the menu bar at the top of the screen. In FaceTime or whatever app you're using, find the video settings. Click on iPhone camera. You'll hear a little chime on your iPhone. And bam! Now you're using your iPhone's rear camera. Position your iPhone where your Mac's webcam usually sits. Notice the huge quality difference. I highly recommend getting an iPhone mount to attach it securely to your Mac. I'll leave a link to one in the description below. Bonus tip. If you click on the FaceTime icon in the menu bar, you'll find some extra settings to play with, like Studio Light and Portrait Mode. Pretty cool, right? When you want to switch back to your Mac's webcam, go back to the video options in the menu bar. Click on FaceTime HD camera, or whatever your Mac's built-in camera is called. And you're back. You can also just hit the big disconnect button that appears on your iPhone. So there you have it. A super easy way to upgrade your webcam quality using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.